Hello, my name is Sarah Brown and this is my pitch for my project on the topic of the interhospital transfer of critically ill children. The current model of paediatric intensive care across Australia includes limited units usually located within high population urban areas, providing high acuity care to a large geographical area. This model ensures sufficient throughputs for each facility to maintain the clinical skill needed. However, sick children will continue to present to their local facilities either via private transport or ambulance, and these facilities are unable to provide the definitive care that they need. Therefore, these children will need retrieval. There is limited research conducted on the effects of interhospital transfer of paediatric patients within Australia. International research based in similar healthcare environments with similar resources to us have found negative effects on outcomes, including increased resource utilisation, such as episodes of ventilation and duration of ventilation, and length of hospital stay. Also, length of wait times at the referring hospital, as well as the length of transfer, has been shown to affect patient outcomes. Despite the significant geographical distances covered by our current limited retrieval services, and the increased time to definitive care for some of our more remote children, there is real positive research on the time to first contact with the intensive care team and patient outcomes. Current models of paediatric intensive care are changing as health services have started to recognise that one tertiary centre may no longer be able to meet the demand of the population it serves. Some health districts are now working collaboratively to provide hub and spoke model of care, providing multiple facilities under the same governance structure. I wonder if now is also the time to move towards a similar model of care for our retrievals to shorten distance of transfer times and wait times at referring hospitals. My research question to investigate this further is, does an increase in length of time to admission to a paediatric critical care environment result in increased resource utilisation and length of stay? A cohort study across multiple centres over a 2-year period will be conducted to see if these vulnerable children and their families will benefit from shorter wait times and transfer times to definitive care. Patients will be cohorted into groups according to length of time from presentation to their referring hospital to admission to a PICU, and also those children who are admitted directly to a PICU without being retrieved. Patients will also be cohorted according to diagnosis, as expected length of stay will differ according to severity of illness, and this could be considered as a confounding factor. De-identified data on resource utilisation and length of stay will be collected from each facility's database with the hope of minimalising the need for consent and simplifying the ethics approval process. Thank you.